My name is Hannah Smalltree. I am a director with Treasure Data. Treasure Data makes a cloud service for processing massive volumes of data. Now, our early customers, the data was coming from web applications, from software applications, from digital video games. Recently, we've seen a wave of connected device makers who have data coming from sensors, and they need an easy way to collect that data, store it, and analyze it for value. So there's a problem when product analysts want to know exactly what's going on with a product, how users are using it, how the product is behaving. It's often very difficult for them to get access to that data, the raw data in real time, and then analyze it with the tools and the skills that they already have. So we make it very easy by providing this full data computing infrastructure for them delivered in the cloud, so an analyst can log on and get access to their data in near real time and run all of their analyses, ask and answer any questions they want about their product data. The kinds of customers that we work with at Treasure Data span a variety of vertical industries. The one thing they have in common is that they have a lot of data. The type of data that we deal with is called event data, it's time series data, so it's data that talks about people's interactions, people's clicks on a website, users moving through a video game, people tapping on a mobile application. So we have companies that span vertical industries, including retail with large websites or mobile applications, digital video game companies I've mentioned a couple times, ad tech companies processing massive volumes of data, and recently connected device companies who want to get the most out of their sensor data, understanding how users are using their products and how their products are behaving out in the wild. The Internet of Things is producing a lot of data, and we know this, we hear all of the stats, we hear it conceptually, but it truly is an order of magnitude different than the types of data that we dealt with in the past. So the thing I'd want people to remember is that Internet of Things data requires a new approach. There's also a huge challenge around collecting that data, so don't underestimate the complexity of collecting and managing data from the Internet of Things. It will be your lifeblood, it's critical to making a better product, a better device, and a better user experience, but there's a lot of complexity involved. My main message is you don't have to do it yourself. So there are companies out there, Treasure Data among them, who can make it very easy for you to get access to that product data and analyze it for value without having to build your own high-performance computing infrastructure or mess around with open source tools. So there is another and a better way to access and analyze your product data.